Right, we're off out to go and try our new toy that we've got for travelling, and we shall show you what we've got in a minute. Let's go. Right, we've arrived where we want to go. A nice big open space. We're at a local field because we need a lot of space, and we'll show you what's going to happen in a minute. There's no point saying anymore. We've got ourselves a drone. So we've got a DJI Mavic Mini 2, and this will be our maiden flight. So I haven't flown this yet. It's all registered, it's all been done, ready to go. I've synced it all up. So all we have to do now is just let it go. You sure this is the safest place for a first flight?
Yeah, why not?
Flip flops on, should be fine. Let's swim in short. It goes that way. Ready?
So why did you choose this drone?
One, for the price, because it's very good for what it is, and it has 4K. And two, also a lot of the regulations that apply to the bigger ones don't apply to this one. So basically you can fly in a lot more places than you could with the other drones because of the weight of it. So we can fly a lot more places, a lot less regulations, more fun.
So did you have to do like a qualification or test?
With these ones, you only have to basically get you don't need a flyer ID, you just need an operator ID. So I've got the operator ID for this one, so it's all registered and you have to put it on the drone. The flyer ID is not actually required, but I've done it anyway, just in case we do get a bigger drone. You have to do an online test, which is very simple, and it's all multiple choice, and it's very easy, extremely easy. So yeah, if you want a bigger drone, it's very easy to do as well, but this one is better. 1 for the size, 2 for the weight, and 3 for less regulations. getting the hang of going the left to right and the rotation bit that's a bit funny.
Yeah. So what do you think overall about your first experience?
It's scary to start with,
Yeah.
but I'll get the hang of it. We'll take it out again tomorrow, but I'll do a bit more simpler stuff, just the backwards, forwards, side to side, and try and just get the hang of it for a minute. And then I want to get the hang of it so I don't have to look at the controller, so I can do it without looking at the controller. That's the main thing.
Is it easy to open it up, close it, unfold it and all that?
Very simple. Very fast. The good thing with this one is it has the prop guards, which the other ones don't, so you don't damage
Propellers.
the propellers. So you could even stick it in the jacket pocket. Or stick it anywhere. It's tiny.
It's a nice little bag as well to keep all your stuff in order.
Ooh.
Is the remote nice and easy?
Very simple. Very easy to use. There's no aerial. The aerial is this one. Unlike the other ones, you have aerials you have to pull out. So as soon as you put this out and put your phone in, the aerial is good. Yeah, it's very easy. This will also charge your phone at the same time as you flying it, so the battery won't go dead, which is good. And also the battery packs also act like a charger, so you can charge your normal phone or anything from the battery packs as well, which is quite cool.
But then you have to charge the battery pack separate?
Yeah.
Right, first flight done.
First flight done. Scary one. It was looking out for that heron. It seemed to like it a little bit. It was looking at it. You scared?
No.
You want to go?
No. No, let's see, I'll try. I use GoPro, you use drone.
Okay.
So what's your favorite thing about it?
How small it is. It's easy to use. It's just getting the hang of it. So I just need to get the hang of the controls. Once I've got the hang of that, it's very simple, very quick to get out. I was a bit slow doing it then. Once you get the hang of it, it's literally unpop, put your remote in, done. That's it, fly and go. And I've got 3 batteries with this one, so I've got an hour and a half flight time with this one, which is good. So yeah, it's very easy, very simple.
You just have to practice.
Yeah, just a lot of practice with the actual flying and maneuvers. But it does have inbuilt maneuvers you can use. So like you've got the tracking one you can use, you've got the helix, you've got the other things you can use. So maybe I'll try that out tomorrow because it's a bit safer for me at the moment to do that than just free fly it.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll just set it up, let it go, do its thing and come back. Once I get the hang of it, and I can play around with it a bit more. That one I can just send it up, put the actual thing on, let it go, and it will come back to where it originally was.
Alright.
And then I won't lose it.
Alright, cool.
Alright, first flight, done.